The fuck are you going, you fucking knob? Oh. She wants a good look down that hole, does she? It's a bit deep. Yeah, I agree with you, yeah? Use your fucking blinker, dickhead. Oh, wow. Valentino. Fucking hell, dude. You want to get ran over? They've done a lot of repairs on this petrol station, haven't they? The repair job. The roof falling off, we replace the roof. The leg fall off, we put bricks underneath it. The thing fall off, we put rocks on it. You fucking dickheads. They just pull out, don't they? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what it's going to be. Fucking big ass motherfucker. Come on, dickhead. You fucking idiot. You feel like a real dickhead now, don't you? Fucking hell, that's a bit close to that lady, isn't it?